everybody, welcome back. As promised, I have some retail tops. Series 2. I have a blaster, 2 hanger boxes, and 2 of the fat packs. 34 cards in each one of these packs. It says look for relic and autograph relic cards. That would be nice, although I assume these are probably pack searched, and that's why I hate to buy packs. Pack searchers kind of ruin it for everybody, but with this stuff, it's sealed obviously, and much better chance of, I mean, if something's in there, it's going to be there. So let's start off with the, let's see, I don't know what the special deal is. Let's see, 67 cards in this. I don't see any claim for a special parallels or anything. Gold, 150th anniversary, rainbow, same as vintage stock, Mother's Day, Father's Day, it all looks the same. This doesn't have a guaranteed hit, but you do get one exclusive 150 years of professional baseball commemorative patch card. So that's it. No guaranteed hits, but hopefully we'll get some inserts for sure. Maybe a couple of parallels and possibly even a short print. Alright, since this is so many cards, again, I think I won't read all the names. I'll flip through those so you can see what's in here. There's franchise feats, Buster Posey. Oh, this is a good home run challenge, Gleyber Torres. Sweet. The 1984 All-Star Scherzer. Then I think we're back to regular cards. Dang, I really should bring my glasses over here so that I can see these. I think these are regular numbers. Hang on. Yeah, they are. These are not short prints. But we'll still flip through. Lots of rookies in Series 2. I don't know how long it'll be before update comes out. I did see, I was on Walmart.com earlier looking at some stuff, and oh, that card's beat up. Look at that top corner. Wow, that's rough. Looking at stuff and saw that they're offering the chance to pre-order Bowman Platinum retail stuff, so I may do that. I didn't even know that that was due up. It said would be shipping on July 4th. So on the 4th of July. Well, actually, I don't think anything ships on the 4th of July, so that's actually kind of funny. But anyways, I don't know anything about Platinum this year. I don't know, is that going to be retail only? Will it be released in hobby form? I don't know. I have to find out. So Duke Snider, Greatest Seasons, franchise feats, Nolan Ryan, 150 anniversary. There's the little full thing at the bottom. Andrew Triggs, Adam Simber, 35th anniversary rookie. Then I think we're just back to regular cards. So not a whole lot happening in the fat packs, really. Lots of base cards. A nice way to work on your set, but not a whole lot happening other than that. Alright, let's do the hanger boxes. A lot of weight on these. 67 cards. Hang on. 67 cards I can't get out. Wow, that is a brick o' cards. And I'm struggling. Alright, finally. Woo. Actually, we're just gonna get on into the meat of this brick. Meat of this brick. That sounds disgusting. The meat of this brick. Alright. I guess we start here. Lubrock. We have a rainbow foil of Sierra. The Marlins. Franchise Feats. Big Unit. And Alomar. Somebody I haven't thought of in a while. Rivera. Is this a short print? It is a Mariano Rivera short print. Not the most flattering photo, but yikes. Sweet. Aaron Judge. All-Star. This was a good box. Then we have just a whole lot more base cards. And that's it. I don't know. I didn't memorize those codes. I should have. So I don't know if that is a short print or a super short print. I'll have to look later. The Machado that I pulled from the jumbo box that I thought was going to be a super short print was actually just a regular short print. I actually ended up with a good couple of short prints out of that jumbo box, which I guess you should if you're getting the jumbo box. But I think those super short prints are pretty elusive. Alright, next brick. They do not make it easy to get into these. I've got trash everywhere. Ugh, I'm not organized today. It's a rough Monday. Hectic Monday. Alright. Cards always makes it better. Frank Thomas, Franchise Feats, and Stan Musial. Patrick Corbin, 150 parallel, and a Bryce Harper, 84 All-Star. Faces of the Franchise, Rockies, and I do believe that is that. Yep, back to regular numbers. So that is what you can expect from a hanger box. Let's get into this blaster, see if we can get anything good out of here. Good number of packs, but you always get a lot of top stuff. A lot of packs in their blasters. This is actually, let's see, 7 packs plus 1 exclusive patch, which is that. See if I can make room. I'm not sure I've ever pulled an autograph out of a regular Topps blaster. I don't think I ever have. Alright, Reese McGuire rookie, and that's that. Although I did out of open a retail box of Topps football and pulled a Odell Beckham rookie autograph out of that. That was crazy. I've already got this out of the jumbo box. I only got one, and unfortunately it's the exact same card. Yeah, that Odell Beckham was like 1 and I don't know, something crazy, 10,000 packs or something insane. I still can't believe I pulled that. Alright, Franchise Feats, George Brett. I think that's it. Yeah, they're not overly generous with what they give you in these packs. 1 insert per, or parallel, whatever. There's Tatis. Faces of the Franchise, Molina, Musial, and Hornsby. Then we have Greatest Moments Roger Clemens, but he's not there. I have to put on glasses to actually read this. Looks like it says ML Record 20 something KO 9 IP, so I guess 20 something strikes and 9 innings pitched, but I can't read. I don't know if that's 20 or 24, 21. I don't actually remember the record, but anyways, Danny Jansen, rookie. A couple of rookies there. We have a Hunter Renfroe rainbow foil, sorry. And a Stephen Mott's 150th anniversary. So we got 2 goodies there. Last regular pack, and then we'll check out that little patch card. Here we have a Matt Harvey Gold and Randy Johnson Franchise Feats again. We already had that once. And this Alkaline, kind of dark, but it's kind of cool. Embossed little, feels like plastic, hard plastic. I don't know if I'd exactly call that a patch, but that's not too cool. I mean, it's not too bad. I don't, like I said before, I don't agree with them calling this a hit, but I don't mind these. I think they're cool for what they are. So that's it, my friends. That is 1 blaster, 2 rack packs, and 2 hanger boxes of Top Series 2. What's next? Next. I guess museum collection is next for baseball. I assume that's still on track. It's slated to release on the 19th, but sometimes those release dates are pushed back, so I'll have to double check. That and Stadium Club are close together. And then, of course, like I mentioned before, Donruss Elite Football, which I absolutely cannot wait for. And that's that. Thanks so much for watching. Everybody take care of yourself. Love you guys. I'll be back soon.